Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So here we have someone with very long hair. And she gets the hair chopped into this stylish and chic pixie. So beautiful. What a gorgeous makeover. I absolutely love the shape of this cut. So the stylist places the hair in a rubber band and cuts the hair right off. Oh, we have another cute and chic pixie style makeover. Such a cute cut. I love the overall shape and texture her hair has. So here we have someone with the long, medium back length hair. And it looks like she wants a Kim Kardashian inspired bob. Gorgeous, beautiful center part here. Very nice. So here we have someone with a bob. It looks like she's going to go shorter with more of a traditional bob shape. The stylist chops off the hair. It looks like she might be getting maybe even like a pixie bob here. Ooh, oh, this is just a gorgeous angled bob. This is so refreshing to me because a lot of the bobs that I'm seeing nowadays are more of that like old school money bob and the bob with the curtain bangs, but this is so nice to see our fresh classic angled bob haircut with the swoop bangs going across the eye. So pretty. And then here we have someone who wants to go short. I feel like this particular client would look amazing with bangs. Yes. So she ended up getting some bangs going there in the front. Wow, this haircut suits her so well. Very pretty. And the bangs just really add a nice amount of shape to the overall cut. So next up, we have someone with hair around their shoulders. The stylist spins her around and reveals this chic pixie cut. She looks so happy. I love it. I love when I see happy clients. It always just warms your heart. So here we have another haircut transformation. Stylist is cutting off quite a bit of hair here with the razor. Oh, this is the full makeover for that haircut. So he showed us the transformation, and now he's actually showing us how he transformed the hair. Very nice. And what's nice about this cut too is that it does have a nice amount of volume here to really add some structure to the cut. Beautiful. This would be a great haircut if your hair is on the thinner side. So here we have a 70s inspired makeover. So this is a very popular haircut right now. We've seen so many 70s inspired hairstyles make a comeback. The mullet, the shag. So the stylist cuts the bangs after cutting the hair. And she's going quite short for this makeover. Continuing to go in and shaping up the hair. You can kind of see the style coming together here. This is another great hairstyle to try out if you want to add some volume to your hair. This is going to create a beautiful shape and create some texture to your strands. Very cute. Kind of reminds me of the baby mullets. So here we have someone with long, dark hair, and she decided to cut the hair just a tad and brighten things up with some color. Wow, this color really brightens up her complexion, just adds a nice amount of pop. Beautiful caramel coloring. Very nice. And then we have a nice cut refresh with this bob makeover. And this bob is more of that asymmetrical angled shape. Very cute. Oh, I love the overall shape of this. So fun.